Tippie se kous. Tippie kry koud. Hy soek sy kous. Hy soek sy blou kous. Tippie kyk in die kas. Die blou kous is nie in sy kas nie. Tippie kyk onder die bed. Onder die bed is 'n ou kous. Dit is nie sy blou kous nie. Waar kan sy blou kous wees? Tippie sien 'n tas. Om die tas is 'n tou. Remember, a tas is like a bag or a case, a suitcase. In a tou is the rope. Is die kous in die tas? Tippie trek aan die tou. If you trek on a rope, you are pulling it. So Tippie is pulling on the rope. Tippie trek aan die tou. Hy kou aan die tou. Kou is to bite, so he's biting on the rope. Hy kou aan die tou. Hier kom Papa nou. So here comes Daddy now. Hy kry die tou gou los. He gets the rope loose quickly. If you do something gou, it means you do it quickly. Hy kry die tou gou los. Tippie maak die tas oop. Daar is die blou kous. Tippie trek die kous aan. Sy voet is nie meer koud nie. So his foot is not cold anymore. Nou kan hy buite gaan speel. Buite is outside. So now he can go play buite, outside. Let's quickly go through some of the words. Hy soek sy blou kous. Soek means to search or look for. So he is searching for his blue sock. A kous is a sock. Tippie kyk onder die bed. Remember, to kyk is to look under the bed. So Tippie looks under the bed. Tippie kyk onder die bed. Onder die bed is 'n ou kous. Ou means old. There is an old sock under the bed. Waar kan sy blou kous wees? Remember, waar was one of your question words, jou vraagwoorde, and it means where. So where could his blue sock be? Waar kan sy blou kous wees? If you wees, it means you are being. So where can it be? Waar kan dit wees? Tippie sien 'n tas. 'n tas is a case or a bag. Om die tas is 'n tou. Om is around. So around the bag is a tou. A tou is a rope. And if you are paying attention, you will see that we are learning about the ou sound. Die ou klank. Kous. Tou. Kou. Hy kou aan die tou. Nou. Koud. No is easy to remember because it sounds like the English word now. Now he can play buite, outside. Okay, kom ons kyk na die begripsvrae. Remember, begrip means comprehension, just like how you do in English. Begrip. Vraag 1. Wat soek Tippie? So what is Tippie searching for? Now, because we are in grade 3, we answer in a full sentence and we do not just say kous. We say, hy soek sy kous. Nommer 2. Watter kleur is die kous? Which color is the sock? Die kous is blou. Nommer 3. Wat kry Tippie onder die bed? This is an easy one to decipher. What does Tippie get under the bed? Tippie kry, and then let's go have a look. What does he find under the bed? 'n ou kous onder die bed. Nommer 4. Waar is die kous? So where was the sock? So from the picture you can see the sock was in die tas. So die kous is in die tas. Wat is om die tas? So what is around the bag? Om die tas is 'n tou. Nommer 6. Wie maak die tou los? Who makes the rope loose? Papa maak die tou gou los. En nommer 7. Wat doen Tippie nadat hy die kous gekry het? So what does Tippie do after he found the sock? Gekry is the past tense of find, which is found. Because remember, to kry something is to find it, and if you add gekry, it becomes the past tense, so it becomes found. So what does Tippie do after? Nadat means after he found the sock. Tippie trek die kous aan. Okay, boys, please go through the story once more and try and go through the questions. And before you hear the answer, pause the video and try and answer it by yourself. Dankie seuns, totsiens!